Hi everyone, bless you be. So first of all, I'm going to take this pound shop frame and I've took the glass out and the insert and I'm going to paint it black. I'm using this as a base for my display. So I'm just going to go over it with some acrylic paint and I'll probably do a couple of layers and dry it with my heat gun in between, and then I'll come back and show you what I did next. Okay, so once it's dry, it looks like this. The paint I used was quite a matte black acrylic paint. And then I've got these roe deer jewel pieces that I bought from the local witchcraft market when it was on. And I wanted a way of displaying these in my curiosity cabinet. So I'm just having a play around with position and deciding how I want to mount these on the frame. I've got some hot glue. Hot glue is more than sufficient to hold these on. And I'm just going to play around with how I want them displayed. I think I want them so I've got them crossing over. I'm just having a think whether I'm displaying one in this or two. Yeah, I think I'm going to do them like this, where they're like crossed over at the front. Kind of like the look of that, and then maybe add something with it. I'm just going to make sure I've got the frame the right way round so that if I stand it up in my cabinet, the jewel pieces are upright. So I'm just going to add a couple of dabs of hot glue and just position that like so, and then I'm going to position the other one.
Hello.
So again, I'm just going to add 2 or 3 dabs of glue here and there.
Yeah, I got your pizza.
Just to hold it in
place.
place.
Because for tonight it's not chicken dinner because there's only me and you in. So
And
don't have to do
just
anything.
position them how I want them and then glue them together as well.
Pizza. There's like chips.
And I'm just going to let that cool and solidify properly. And while I'm doing that, I'm just going to dig around for some bits and bobs that I've got that I can use to add to the display. So I've got this dried rose I'm going to add in the middle. I've got some dried flowers here and there dotted around that I use for little projects like this. And I'm just going to add that. I would have preferred probably like a red one, but this is what I had, was this old sort of yellowy one. And I've got these tiny little dried flowers as well that I'm going to add to it. Just going to put the tiniest little dab of glue to hold these in place. And try and remove the little, sort of get the little hairy slithers of glue. Try and get those off before they set as well. And I'm going to put some more of these on. I don't know what these are called, but they're very cute little flowers and they were dried a long time ago. I'm going to add some more there. And I think I'll add some more on the other side as well. If I had them, I probably would put some corner pieces on the frame, some little details, some little decals or something that would go on. But I haven't got anything. I'm just using what I've got around the house, as well as this shop, the pound shop frame that I picked up. So I'm trying to do this low budget, so I'm just using what I've got. Got a couple of sprigs of dried lavender. Now, dried lavender is a pain. It loves to just shed its flowers everywhere. But I'm going to just add a couple of sprigs. Excuse the alarm on my watch, by the way. I'm just going to add another one on the other side. Like so. Trying to keep it kind of symmetrical. Then I think I'm going to add a bit more dried flowers onto here, maybe. Maybe do that sort of underneath the jaw pieces a bit more. I'm not sure. I'll have a look at what I've got. Got a couple of sprigs of rosemary. I could add those maybe. Could just tuck them in under there, couldn't I? Yes, I think I'll do that. These dried flowers were from like a little bundle that was that had like a little crystal wrap around them. Not sure where I got it from. Probably another witchy market. But I've had it a long time and it was looking a bit dull, so I wanted to add it to something else. So I'm just going to add them. And then I'm going to have a think if there's anything else. I've got this little moon crystal. I'm going to add that in the middle. And then if I can find one, I think I've got some like pentacle charms. I'm going to add one of them to the frame, I think. I'm just going to have a little dig and see if I can find one in my drawer. I should have one knocking about. And yep, I got one. And it's like a nice sort of matte silvery colour. Obviously it's not real silver, it's like pewter or something. And I'm going to stick that on. Now I had the hardest time sticking this on. This kept popping off and in the end I super glued it on. Because I couldn't get enough hot glue on the back. Because I was trying to get it where the hot glue didn't show from the front. So yeah, I switched to super glue at one point and stick this on. And then I'll show you what it looks like when it's finished. And that's it. That's how to display some bones in a curiosity cabinet. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.